The Atlantic Ocean is vast and mighty. It is the second largest ocean on our planet. This enormous body of water covers about 20% of the Earth's surface. It stretches from the Arctic in the north to the Southern Ocean in the south, separating the Americas from Europe and Africa. Imagine a giant basin holding a huge volume of water. That is what the Atlantic Ocean is like. It holds about 310 million cubic kilometers of water. This vastness is difficult to comprehend. To put it into perspective, it's about 10 times the size of the Pacific Ocean. The Atlantic Ocean is not uniform in depth. It has an average depth of about 3,646 meters. The deepest point is the Milwaukee Deep in the Puerto Rico Trench. This trench plunges down to a staggering 8,376 meters. That's deeper than Mount Everest is tall. The Atlantic Ocean is constantly moving. Currents like the Gulf Stream carry warm water from the tropics to higher latitudes. This movement of water plays a crucial role in regulating the Earth's climate. The ocean's winds and currents have shaped the continents over millions of years. The Atlantic Ocean is home to a diverse range of geological features. The Mid-Atlantic Ridge is a prime example. This underwater mountain range runs down the center of the Atlantic Ocean. It is part of a global system of mid-ocean ridges where new ocean floor is formed. The Atlantic Ocean is dotted with numerous islands and archipelagos. Some of these islands are volcanic. Others are formed from coral reefs. These islands are havens for unique plant and animal life. The Caribbean islands, Iceland and the Azores are just a few examples. The seabed of the Atlantic Ocean is a treasure trove of mineral resources. Oil and natural gas reserves are found in various locations. The extraction of these resources is a significant industry for many countries. However, it is essential to balance economic benefits with environmental protection. The Sargasso Sea is another unique feature of the Atlantic. It is a region in the North Atlantic Ocean. It is bounded by 4 currents forming an ocean gyre. This sea is known for its distinctive floating seaweed called sargassum. It provides a habitat for a variety of marine species. The Atlantic Ocean plays a vital role in regulating the Earth's climate. It acts as a massive heat sink. It absorbs heat from the sun, particularly in tropical regions. Ocean currents then distribute this heat around the globe. The Gulf Stream is a powerful current in the Atlantic Ocean. It carries warm water from the Gulf of Mexico towards northwestern Europe. This warm current has a moderating effect on the climate of these regions. It makes winters milder than they would otherwise be. The Atlantic Ocean also plays a crucial role in the carbon cycle. It absorbs carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. This process helps to regulate global temperatures. However, the increasing levels of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere are causing the ocean to become more acidic. This acidification poses a significant threat to marine life. The El Niño Southern Oscillation, or ENSO, is a climate pattern that occurs in the Pacific Ocean. However, it can have significant impacts on weather patterns in the Atlantic Basin. For example, El Niño events can suppress hurricane activity in the Atlantic. The Atlantic Ocean teems with a rich diversity of marine life. From microscopic plankton to enormous whales, the ocean supports a complex web of life. This biodiversity is crucial for the health of the planet. The sunlit surface waters of the Atlantic are home to phytoplankton. These tiny plants are the base of the ocean's food chain. They are consumed by zooplankton, which are then eaten by larger animals such as fish and whales. The Atlantic Ocean is home to various species of whales, including humpback whales, blue whales, and orcas. These magnificent creatures undertake long migrations across the ocean. They play a vital role in maintaining the balance of the marine ecosystem. Sharks also inhabit the Atlantic Ocean. From the fearsome great white shark to the smaller reef sharks, these predators are essential for maintaining healthy fish populations. Overfishing and habitat degradation are threats that sharks face. Coral reefs are underwater ecosystems found in warmer waters of the Atlantic. These reefs are incredibly diverse and provide a home for countless marine species. However, coral reefs are highly vulnerable to climate change, pollution, and destructive fishing practices. The Atlantic Ocean has played a pivotal role in human history. For centuries, it served as a barrier separating continents, yet it also acted as a highway for exploration, trade, and cultural exchange. The Vikings were among the first to cross the Atlantic. They established settlements in Iceland, Greenland, and even North America. The age of exploration in the 15th and 16th centuries marked a turning point in human history. European explorers, driven by a thirst for knowledge and wealth, embarked on daring voyages across the Atlantic. Christopher Columbus's voyage in 1492 led to the European discovery of the Americas. The Atlantic Ocean became a vital trade route during the colonial era. European powers established colonies in the Americas, Africa, and the Caribbean. They transported goods, slaves, and ideas across the ocean. This trade had a profound impact on the world's economy and the development of nations. The invention of the steamship in the 19th century revolutionized transatlantic travel. It made crossings faster and more reliable. The development of submarine telegraph cables in the mid-19th century enabled rapid communication across the ocean. The Atlantic Ocean faces numerous environmental challenges. Pollution from plastic waste, chemicals, and oil spills threatens marine life. Overfishing depletes fish stocks and disrupts the ocean ecosystem. Climate change leads to rising sea levels and ocean acidification. Protecting the Atlantic requires global cooperation. International efforts address pollution, overfishing, and climate change. Sustainable fishing ensures long-term health of fish stocks. Reducing emissions mitigates climate change impacts. Marine protected areas conserve biodiversity. These areas help ecosystems recover. Public education fosters ocean stewardship. The future depends on our actions today. Together, we can protect this vital ecosystem, ensuring the Atlantic's benefits for future generations.